Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you how to create or set up an Riot account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to search for a game which needs a Riot account, or you can also directly search the Riot account. Tap onto it and it will ask for, here it is asking for me to make one or sign in to a Riot account. I will make one to show you how to create a Riot account. So it is asking for my email account. I just have to input my email and tap onto yes Riot. May send me info about new releases. It will be good if you want new updates about the new released games. I will continue with my Google account. Then you have to tap on to continue. Then it is asking me that if I had played one of their games before. I will simply go for create account. Just tap onto it. Then you have to enter your birth date. As example, I'm gonna write a random birth date. Then you have to tap onto this red arrow. So this is as simple as that. This is how you can set up your Riot Games account. Now you can install and play games. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.